This channel. Today's lesson is repeat while loop. So let's start. How can use our Swift program? So first of all, create a range variable is value is 1 and repeat. So print our range and include every loop. So plus 1 and check the while condition is range less than or equal 10. So first of all print execute 1 and then check range is less than or equal 10, and while loop first check and then execute code, and repeat while is first of all execute and then check condition. It's a different repeat while and while. So first execute our code and then condition check, and while is first of all check condition and then execute our code. So thank you for watching this video. Like video, share video and subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell. You will get. Thank you for watching this video. Like video, share video and subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell. You will get notification my latest video. Thank you.